Good morning, students. Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all will be fine at your home. In this video, we will just tell you how can we arrange the icons. Okay. So first of all, look on this screen. You can look, the icons are well arranged. Okay. Look what you have to do. Some of the icons we are disarranging them. Like this. Okay. So to arrange these icons, what you have to do, look, first of all you have to right click on the blank area of the desktop. Okay, right click, we have clicked, and now click on view. After view, what we have to choose now? Auto arrange icons. It will arrange all the icons. Okay, click. Now you can see all the icons have arranged. Now go there again and untick this option, auto arrange icons. Okay, now I am doing such thing again. Now you can think, now you can see one thing, that is the icons are not arranged now. Some of them are here, some of them are on up and down, not in a manner, not in a line. So one more trick is also here. Right click, then click on view and align icons to grid. What will happen? Little bit is happening. That is, icons are now in a line. Okay, now go again, and first of all we will start from view. Large icons, the desktop icons will be big now, in a huge size, you can see them. So click on view and click on medium icons. The icons will look like in the medium size. Now click view, small icons, very small icons. Now click on auto arrange icons. Icons are arranged in a well suitable manner. We have already done align icons to grid. Now show desktop icons. Sometimes we get confused that where are icons, we are not able to see our icons on the desktop. So by mistake you have untick this. Okay, means your icons are not appearing now. Not a single icon is appearing on your desktop now. Okay, so if it happens in future with you, then what you have to do? You have to right click of your desktop, click on view and click on show desktop icons. Now your icons, you can easily watch them. Okay, now right click again. One more thing is available, show desktop gadgets. How it works? So first right click gadgets. You can watch these things on your computer also. Now I'm just clicking on clock. You have to double click on these icons, on these gadgets. After that they will appear to you. Calendar, CPU meter. Okay, now close this, and now right click on view, show gadgets. If this icon will tick, then you can see these gadgets. Otherwise I'm just untick this icon. Okay, the gadgets are also not appearing now. So right click on this, click on view and show desktop gadgets. Now you can see these gadgets on your desktop. You can also arrange icons according to their size, name, item, date modified. etc. Okay, so first of all, look here. Your first icon is on Hari's, second is computer, recycle bin, and so on. So what you have to do this, right click on sort, and if you will click on size, it will arrange according to the size. First, now the position of icons have changed. First Google Chrome, then online free games, then movies, KBC, and your computer is and Hari's are on last. Now right click, sort icons, item type, it will according to like that Hari's computer recycle bin. Now right click, sort, date modify, it will show according to the modified dates. Okay, now ahead we will tell you about the screen resolution. First of all, you have to right click of your mouse, and after that we will click on screen resolution. From this you can change the display setting, resolution you can change from here, and orientation. I am just doing one thing, that is orientation. Click on orientation option, landscape, portrait. I am just now clicking on the portrait option. What will happen? Apply. The position of your screen has changed. If you want to keep it changed, then click on keep change, otherwise click on revert. I am just reverting it. Okay, practice all these again and again on your computer. After that you can easily understand them. Okay.